If you're tired of cars that break down, repair shops that empty your pockets, and SUVs that age faster than a cheap laptop, this video is your cheat code. Because today, you're not just getting a list, you're getting the 7 SUVs that built a reputation for one thing: refusing to die. Buy them once, and you'll probably never need to think about repairs again. Let's start with the SUV that has shocked mechanics for over a decade. The first SUV on this list is the one even Toyota engineers call overbuilt. Mechanics say they rarely see major issues before 300,000 miles, and even then, it's usually tiny things like sensors. What makes it so good? A simple engine, no unnecessary electronics, and bulletproof transmission. It's the kind of SUV you buy if you hate the idea of car payments because you'll keep it for 15 years. Now, before we move on, remember this. Every SUV on this list was chosen using long-term reliability tests, owner reports, maintenance logs, and industry data. Nothing here is sponsored. Nothing here is hype. Everything is proven in the real world. Next, we move to an SUV that's famous for doing something rare, holding its value and staying reliable. Most SUVs lose half their value in 5 years, but this one barely drops. People buy it used at 100,000 miles and drive it like new. The suspension lasts forever, the drivetrain barely complains, and owners regularly hit 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. And if you live in snowy or harsh climates, this SUV is almost undefeatable. The third SUV in today's list is the one known as the long-distance warrior. Why? It's the SUV people use for cross-country trips without worrying about a single breakdown. No weird electronics, no turbocharging stress, no fragile transmissions. Just a smooth, durable motor designed to handle heat, load, and time. Even rideshare drivers swear by this one because it simply never quits. Here's something that might shock you. Some of the SUVs people assume are reliable actually aren't. Turbo engines failing early, CVT transmissions burning out, electronics blowing up. But the SUVs in this list are the ones mechanics buy for themselves, and that says a lot. The fourth SUV today is the one that keeps showing up in most reliable vehicle competitions globally. It has one of the lowest repair cost averages, the fewest breakdowns per 100,000 vehicles, and one of the highest owner satisfaction scores. Its engine design hasn't changed much in years because it doesn't need to. It works, and it keeps working. Now, number 5 is interesting. Not the flashiest, not the fastest, but somehow it manages to be one of the most dependable SUVs ever built. What makes it special? Ultra-simple mechanical components, incredible parts availability, and a strong build quality that you can feel the moment you close the door. People routinely drive this SUV in extreme heat, rough terrain, and icy winters, and it just keeps going. And here's the crazy part. This SUV almost never sees serious engine failures. Transmission issues? Extremely rare. Electrical problems? Nearly non-existent. Even the interior materials hold up better than most luxury cars. Moving to number 6, and this one is a beast. It's known as the SUV with the lowest long-term repair cost in its category. Everything from the steering system to the engine mounts is built to last absurdly long. Even the alternators and water pumps, parts that usually fail at 120,000 miles, often last way beyond 200,000 miles in this model. And when it does need repairs, parts are cheap, really cheap. This SUV is the one people buy when they want a practical, no-drama daily driver, something that just works every morning, in every weather, for decades. If you're looking for a forever SUV, this is one of the safest bets in the entire market. And now, number 7, the king of reliability. The SUV you buy once and realistically never replace unless you get bored. It's the SUV with a legendary engine, a bulletproof transmission, and a lifetime reputation for surviving heat, mud, snow, salt, towing, and abuse. People drive these things to 400,000 miles with original components. It is, without exaggeration, one of the most reliable machines ever built on four wheels. Let's talk about something important. Why do these SUVs last so long? First, simple engines. Manufacturers these days add turbochargers, weak CVTs, unnecessary electronics that all break down early. But the SUVs in this list keep their engineering simple and proven. Second, strong transmissions. A reliable SUV starts with a reliable gearbox. No fragile CVTs, no overloaded dual clutch units, just tough, old-school transmissions engineered to handle power. Third, overbuilt cooling systems. Many modern engines overheat. These don't. Fourth, predictable, cheap maintenance. Oil changes, filters, fluids, that's it. No random $2,000 repairs. And lastly, brand culture. Some brands focus on reliability, some focus on luxury, some focus on features. The SUVs here, though, they focus on longevity. And if you're wondering, yes, buying these SUVs used is perfectly safe. In fact, many buyers purposely buy them with 50 to 120,000 miles because they know reliability starts to matter more at higher mileage, and these SUVs are built for it. Let's end this video with a simple truth. A reliable SUV is more than a vehicle. It's peace of mind. It protects your wallet. It protects your time. It protects you from constant breakdowns. If you buy any of the SUVs from this list, you're buying freedom from stress. If you want the full list with exact model names, comment "list please," and I'll give you the exact ranking, engine picks, trim recommendations, and the model years you should avoid. And now I want to hear from you. Which SUV has given you the most trouble? And which one lasted the longest? Drop your experience in the comments. It helps others make smarter choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.